In this guide, I'm going to show you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is back out of the Facebook app and open up a web browser instead. Search for Facebook account hacked and then scroll down and select recover a hacked account Facebook Help Center. It's then going to load and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And you need to start your recover account process. So select recover your Facebook account if you were hacked. Go ahead and hit open article. It's then going to take you to a new page that looks like this. Select the link to go to facebook.com/hacked, hit next, it'll then redirect you, and then you need to go through and just follow this entire process. Facebook will walk you through step by step. It's a little bit different every single time, but essentially Facebook is going to be guiding you through securing your account by checking recent activity like password changes, new email addresses, phone numbers, posts, comments, or follows that you didn't make. Just follow all the prompts, create a brand new password that you've never used before, something preferably different than something you've ever used before. And Facebook may also ask you to confirm your identity with a code sent to your email or phone number, so just keep that in mind. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.